How to follow people on TikTok PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to follow specific people on TikTok using your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser on your laptop, and once you have opened it, simply click on the search bar and search for TikTok. And now click on the first link in the search result, and once you click on that, you'll be prompted to the website of TikTok. So here, once I am in the website of TikTok, here you can see the random TikTok video. So if you want to follow this profile, simply click on their profile icon and you can follow it from there. But if you want to follow a specific person, you can do so easily. To do that, go to the search bar and type in the username of the person that you want to follow. And once you have searched for it, simply click on their profile, and once their page loads, simply click on the follow button, and that's it. Now you are following that users on TikTok. And that's it for the video. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.